Yep, hi there guys, John again from AudaCity Capital, the head of trading over here. I'd like now to take this special moment to talk about a trader that I actually spoke about last week, Laurentiu. Now Laurentiu last week doubled his account. He hit his 10%, and on the 12th of March we paid him and doubled his account. And now 6 days later, he's done it again. So the fact of the matter is this, that is the record. He has broken our record. The one person that held the record there in 2 weeks, it was Cayman. This person has now broken that record. He's done it in 6 days, so almost 1 full week. Many congratulations to him. We've actually paid him today, and we've doubled his account again. So this trader seems to be on a roll right now. And if anything, I would like you guys to be inspired by this, to be motivated by this, because we have someone out there who's actually making money now consistently. So his next step would be to go into $80,000 once he makes his 10%. So within a space of a couple of months, so far into 2020, come Easter time, this guy could be managing 160 grand with us, more or less. So guys, all I can say is if he can do it, so can you. I know different people have different ways of trading, different styles, different time frames, depending on your day-to-day life activities. But there is money to be made in the markets. And I'm really proud to talk about this person, because it was just last week when I spoke about him 6 days ago. And now I'm having this pleasure of presenting again and talking about the fact that he made 10%, he's been paid in just a couple of hours and had his account doubled. So let me tell you how he did it this time. He actually took a lot of trades on a number of pairs. This person has not been focusing mainly on the pound. So a bit of unusual here. Okay, so if you think about the last couple of traders that I've talked about, they're mainly focusing on pound yen, pound dollar, or just the pound pairs in general. Whereas Laurentiu has been focusing on a lot of the cross pairs, such as Swiss yen, New Zealand yen, Aussie Swiss, Euro CAD, Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. This person's been looking on the other spectrum here, and he saw opportunities. And again, when you think about those traders, when you think about those markets, those pairs, the first thing that comes to your mind is they hardly move. They don't really pay, and they're Asian session pairs. So this guy said, you know what, I'm going to be a bit different. And he just decided to trade those markets. And he still managed to take away $400, $500 trading New Zealand dollar, Aussie yen. He did trade the cable. He had one trade on the cable from what I can see, which almost made him $1,000. So $1,000 on that one position. Okay. So that's very interesting. So pound did pay him the most. However, he's also had a good trade with almost $500 on the Swiss yen, for example. He had a few losses, and his losses were very minimal. Actually, I can tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6, 7 losses in the last 6 days, and the rest were all winning trades. And not just winning trades at small amounts, but big amounts. The guy won big amounts, $400, $300, $500, $1,000 almost on cable. And now he's gone on to stage 3. So all I can say is congratulations to him. He might break his own record at the rate he's going at. So if I'm here a couple of days later talking about Laurentiu, I won't be surprised. He's actually doing extremely well. The risk management team, our risk management team, praise him for that. The fact that he's really banking very well and taking advantage of market volatility. I have to admit he's managed to do better performance than myself. So congratulations to that. Credit's due when credit's due. So keep it up. I hope you continue doing well. And use this as inspiration, guys, as motivation that you could do the same. Your challenge is to try and beat that record now. So to all the traders out there that are listening to me or will listen to me later on, your challenge right now is to break that record of 6 days, me being one of them. Okay? So thank you very much. All the best, and I look forward to talking to you about our next number of traders, hopefully in the upcoming days or in the upcoming weeks, on who made their 10%. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Yeah, it was this guy deserves it. Yeah, so smart. Aussie Swiss is looking at all the pairs from what I can see.